This drink is called a warm woolly sheep. It is a warm cocktail, best for drinking while you're kicking by the fire or out by the campfire. Probably a good holiday drink around Christmas and so forth. Let's get started. We're going to use a simple highball glass, and remember, no ice. This is a warm drink. The main ingredients are scotch and drambuie. Now we're going to use a blended scotch, Johnny Walker. We're going to use 1 ounce of this, and we'll take our jigger and pour 1 ounce of that into there. A jigger is just a handy bar tool, good for measuring your different liquors out. This one happens to have 1 ounce on one side and a ½ ounce on another. Now we're going to need a ½ ounce of drambuie. Drambuie is a scotch-based liqueur flavored with honey and different herbs. If you've never had it and you're a scotch drinker, you want to try it. It's rather good. We'll pour a ½ ounce of that into here. And finally, we're going to top it with warm milk. Just like so. And it looks just like a glass of warm milk. Good for chilling by the fire. In fact, I think I'm going to go build a fire right now. Take care.